September stats are in, so let's chat about what's been happening in the housing market in Spokane this past month. Just a quick disclaimer, as always, unfortunately, no one has a crystal ball or knows for certain what will happen with real estate moving forward, but I'll be sharing with you some trends and data to help you understand what's going on in the market so you can make the most informed decision for your real estate needs. Although we have definitely felt a softening in the Spokane market this past month, it's important to keep things in perspective. Looking at the month's supply of inventory, we see that we're at 1.8 months, which means it would take a little less than 2 months to sell through the current inventory at the rate it's selling at right now. A balanced market is considered to be about 5 to 7 months worth of inventory, so it's important to note that we are still largely in a seller's market. That said, we are seeing a market correction as shown in the slight decrease in median sales price and increased time on market. The median sales price was $410,000 in September, down from $425,000 in August. But again, it's important to keep in mind that it is still up considerably from $385,000 last September. Time on market also increased to 18 days, which was up from 14 days in August and a huge increase from the 5 days we saw last September. These are largely caused by an increase in inventory and interest rates. Inventory was up just slightly from August, but up significantly, a whopping 71.5% to be exact, from September of last year. One of the biggest challenges in the market right now is that sellers are still holding on to expectations of selling their homes at similar prices to what their neighbors sold for in the spring and early summer, which is obviously unrealistic with interest rates as high as they are. This is causing a disconnect between buyers and sellers and leading to inflated list prices, more price reductions, and longer time on market. Homes near and below the median price point that are prepared and priced well for market are still receiving multiple offers and selling at competitive prices. Homes in the upper price points, where buyers are most affected by interest rate increases, have seen the most significant negative impact in terms of price and time on market. So what does this all mean for you? Buyers, despite rising interest rates, that minor detail, this is actually a pretty good time to be a buyer. There are fewer buyers in the market and more homes for sale, which means more negotiating power for you. My clients have received more seller-paid closing costs and inspection credits these past couple of months than anything I've seen in my career. There are also loan programs to buy down interest rates and make payments more affordable. So just know that you have options. Sellers, you can still get a good price for your home, but it is important to prepare your home for the market. Unfortunately, gone are the days of just throwing a sign in the yard and telling buyers they can deal with whatever problems and unfinished projects exist in your home while still getting you a crazy sales price. Buyers are dealing with higher interest rates and thus higher monthly mortgage payments, which means less cash in pocket, and they are now more concerned with buying move-in ready homes. So any projects you can take care of that might seem daunting to buyers will greatly improve your chances of selling. Pricing your home appropriately based on current market conditions is also more important now than it's been in a long time. And finally, homeowners, don't freak out, don't do it. Experts are expecting home values to continue to rise over the next couple of years, but at a slower rate than in years past, especially with interest rates expected to remain high at least through the end of the year. We've been seeing double-digit growth in Spokane home values over the past few years, even as high as 30+% year over year, so it's only reasonable to expect that we'll see a bit of a decrease. As always, please keep in mind that these are only averages for Spokane County and that certain neighborhoods, price points, and house types are impacted differently. If you'd like more specific stats based on your neighborhood and home, please reach out. I've included my contact information here and I'd be happy to help. All right, that's it for this month's market update. Thanks so much for watching.